welcome. In this video we will learn how to play Happy Birthday to You. This is a tab or fingerstyle version of it, so make sure that your ukulele is tuned and let's get started. There is a printable down below. Please use it. It is free, it is helpful, and it will take your playing to the next level. Alrighty, make sure you're tuned. Let's get started. Yesterday I came to record this video and I tripped over one of my lights, pushed my camera over and broke the lens. I went to the store and they didn't have the same lens, so I'm using a different lens, so bear with me while I figure out how to frame this the right way. I think that's a pretty good frame, but please give me your feedback in the comments below. Okay, so we're looking at the tab. Make sure that you have the printable as well. You don't have to print it out, you can put it on another device, but have it in front of you, it helps. Our first note is open C string. Even if you have open string, I want you to rest the ukulele right here so that you keep it at a nice angle. Today I'm playing a soprano uke, so the holding for soprano is a little bit different. So you can see it there. My forearm is at the base of the ukulele and my index finger is here, and this part would apply to everyone. I'm holding it by the waist and I'm just gonna do 2. Not plucking, that sounds really nasty. Just down, a little slightly out, I guess. Happy. For birthday, I'm gonna use the middle finger because we're on the 2nd fret. Birthday. This has all been on the same string. Happy birthday. Now we're gonna move to E string on the 1st fret and then open. You just played the first phrase. Happy birthday to you. Make sure you're using your index finger on that 1st fret. We want to use index finger on the 1st fret, middle on the 2nd, ring on the 3rd. Okay, so let's play what we know so far. Ready, go. Let's do that again. Ready, go. Alright, next part repeats the first 4 notes we have already done in the beginning of the song. Try that real quick. Ready, go. It's the same as the beginning part. So let's go from the beginning to there. 1, 2, 3, ready, go. And now we're gonna go here, 3rd fret of E string, and if you studied your chromatic scale, you know that's a G. So we're gonna play G, then F. So let's play from the beginning to there together. 1, 2, 3, ready, go. Try again. 1, 2, 3, ready, go. Let me play the next part for you and then we'll do it together. Put your ukulele down real quick and just watch. So that part's challenging because we're going to play all 3 of the strings at some point. So your thumb is going to have to move around. This hand is going to have to move around. So if there's any challenging bit of the song, this would be it. Watch me again. Okay, let's try it together. 1, 2, 3, ready, go. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, ready, go. Okay, let's play from the beginning to there. You can pause here if you need to practice that part a little bit more. And that way when you come back, we go from the beginning to there. Okay, beginning. 1, 2, 3, ready, go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Marty. Okay, let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Marty. And now let's finish the song. Watch me do it first. If you listened closely, I had a buzz there in the beginning. And that's because I wasn't pressing correctly. So I'm not following my own rules. So I wasn't squeezing and having proper form. Bad teacher. Let me do that again. So we have 1, 1, 0. Next string. Not bad. I think that's a pretty fair ending. It's not too difficult. Let's try it together. Ready, go. Again, ready, go. Pause here if you need to review the whole song, and then when you come back, we'll play all of it together. Okay, let's play from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, ready, go. Next. Okay, I'm going to try something really different here, and if it works, cool. If it doesn't, let me know in the comments below. I want to strum the chords while you play the melody. So that way we're kind of like a band together, okay? So let's try it. If it works, great. If not, at least I know for future videos. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, ready, go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Marty. Keep going. Happy birthday to you. And I was singing this to Marty because a fellow subscriber just had a birthday, so this was perfect timing. And that was our tutorial for Happy Birthday to You. Make sure you memorize this. This is no good if you don't memorize it. The real kind of growing and your playing happens when you're memorizing. Also, when you're playing, maybe in the beginning it's okay if you're looking a lot at your hand, but try to get away from that. Try to keep your gaze forward and the sound hole of the ukulele also forward, so that you're both kind of like pointed in the same direction. Because if you're pointed at each other, that's no good. Okay? I would like to thank Amumu Guitars for sponsoring this tutorial. I'll have a link in the description box below to this ukulele and some of their other top-rated products as well. Okay, do your homework, and I will see you here for tomorrow's video. Sayonara!